Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn text into coloring book in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva app. Don't forget to sign in with your account. You can get this Canva app for free from official website. And to get started, you can click apps, then click AI powered. Now here you can scroll down and try to find coloring book. Turn text description into a coloring book, so you can bring your imagination to life with coloring book. So click to start, and here we go. You can describe your coloring book style. You can try an example. So cozy living room with fireplace and bookshelves, a beach with palm trees and hammock, a magical forest with unicorn and rainbows. Your description can be in any language, but English is likely to give the best results. So here, if you enable this consistency mode, outputs will be more similar to each other. So there are two output later, there are two results after you generate the image. So here you can describe for example, let's try a throne in dragon castle. Generate image. This way, this may take a few seconds. And here we go. This is the result of a throne in dragon castle. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.